Hey guys, it's LT Fit here, coming to you with my new series called Do You Need a Health Coach? And in this series, we're talking about all different reasons why you might need a health coach. In today's video, we're talking about people that don't have no clue what to do and where to start. If you just don't know what to do, how to start, where to start, you just so overwhelmed with so many different things with working out and nutrition and fitness, then you probably need a health coach to point you in the right direction. A health coach can give you the support you need, give you some structure, and just help you to figure out where to start and where to go. Because last thing you want to do is be so overwhelmed where you don't do nothing for your health. You just don't do nothing at all because there's just too many things going on and you don't understand where to start and you're just so confused. So that's why you probably need a health coach if this is you. So now I'm a health coach and a fitness trainer. So the great thing about it is I'll offer nutrition health coaching in a group online, and I offer one-on-one health coaching online or in person as well. So if you're looking to get fit and you're just clueless about what to do and don't know where to start, you came to the right place. This is LT. I'm ready to help you out. So check out one of the links below if you're looking for group health coaching or if you're looking for one-on-one health coaching, because I would love to help you. All right. Have a great day.